Janet, and today I want to show you a really fun technique that I have come across with using gelatos. And now I have pulled out all these kind of orange, yellow, some gold here, peach, and a little bit of red. These are all from my stash. I'm just going to move them off to the side. And I've got a piece of watercolor paper here. It's not very thick, but it will hold up to this technique. And then I'm working on my glass mat. And so I am going to start out with a couple of colors here. And I am just going to scribble on my glass mat with orange and maybe a peachy color here. And I do like using the metallics as well. So I want to bring out more of the yellow. And so what I have here is some DIY yellow plastic paint that I made. It has varnish in it, and so I'm going to get some splatters on here. And even though those may look big right now, I can use a paper towel to pick up some of that. All right, so once again, I'm going to dry a bit of it. And I'm also going to dab just to blend those in a little bit. Okay, so now that brought out some of the yellow in there, and that's because it's got varnish in it. They're going to be shinier, and so that's why I was tapping them down a little bit, because I do want them to work into the background. And then I have some DIY gold shimmer spray that I'm going to finish this off with, just to show you what this looks like. If I can get it to spray. I may have to work on, there we go. I think I'm starting to get some, it's getting low, and so it doesn't, I can hear it working, but it's not coming up the nozzle. All right, so to show you, hopefully, you can see the gold shining on there. Now, I did use the gold from the Gelatos, but it's looking a little muddy to me. It's not showing as gold as like the glittery is showing. But I wanted to try a different color palette with this technique. And the first one I did, show you, I did it in blues and purples. And that's this one. So I don't know any other way to get this look than to build up the layers and to just keep dipping and to dry and then dip some more and keep layering. I know you can do it with other medium, but I wanted to try it with the gelato. And so there is my result.